A YouTube automation channel is a channel on which the owner outsources the work related to editing, scripting, and voiceover to freelancers or experts in each field. This means you don't have to spend lots of hours creating your videos or even show your face in them, which is why many people also refer to these channels as faceless channels. The reason this business model is gaining popularity lately is scalability. Imagine you're a YouTuber. In this case, your channel is obviously centered around you. Your channel starts getting traction, accumulating views, you get monetized, you start making money, and that is awesome. However, there's only one of you, and time is finite. You can't have 5 different channels because you simply won't have time to appear in all the videos. Even if you create a system where you are able to show your face in the videos of 5 different channels, the amount of work would be enormous. What we're aiming for here is financial freedom and ample free time to do whatever you want, all while earning money in the background. The last thing you want is to become a slave to your business. But with automated channels, that's not the case. You can have as many channels as you want without spending too much time on each one every week.